what is the equation of the line above? So first of all, we want to know what is the equation of any line. So the equation is called y equals mx plus c, or you can call it y equals mx plus b. So I'm going to use y equals mx plus b for this case because I just prefer b. Some people prefer c, but I personally prefer b. Anyway, we know what y and x is, right? Y is the vertical line. As you can see, it labeled y. This is the y-axis, and the x-axis is the horizontal line. And what is m and what is b? So we want to solve what is m and what is b. So first of all, we must know what is m. M is gradient, or you can call it the slope. And b is the y-intercept. So the y-intercept, in this picture, you can already see what is the y-intercept. So first of all, y, we know y-axis is this, and we want to know what is intercepting the y-axis. So here we can see this. So I plotted this because the line, it intercepted the y-axis. So the y-intercept is 2. So y equals mx plus 2. Now be careful. It is 2. But if it is here, for example, a line crosses 4, negative 4, then the y-intercept will be negative 4, not positive 4. So you gotta be careful with that. Now, m, I want to know what is m. So m is, there is something called rise over run. So rise is something that is rising, and run is, for example, you think of a person running sideways. So it's running sideways, run is sideways. So here I'm going to plot any point here. So let's say I'm going to plot here. So I'm going to rise 1, 2, 3. Now I want to touch this x here. Do I go left or do I go right? I'm going to go left. So 1, 2, 3. So the rise here is 3 and the run here is 3 too. So the gradient is 1. Now there are other ways. You can also do, for example, this. I can do this point here and this point here. So the rise is 1 and the run is 1. So 1 over 1, which is 1 as well. So there are lots of method and all of them are all of the answers are exactly the same. Now, just now we did this and this, right? I did rise and then run, but I can also do the other way. So the rise is 1 and the run is 1 too. So 1 over 1 is the same as 1. So we know that the gradient is 1. But be careful. Is the gradient 1 or is the gradient negative 1? Now it is a negative 1. Now why is that? Because this line here is going downwards. As you can see, it's going downwards. So any line that is going downwards, the gradient is always negative. And any line that is going upwards, like these, the gradient is a positive. And in this case, it is a negative. So y equals negative 1x plus 2. Now we want to simplify the equation. So it becomes y equals negative x plus 2. So yeah, this is our equation of the line.